and welcome to StartASL.com. We offer the country's leading ASL courses available for schools. Have you ever thought about offering American Sign Language at your school or in your home classroom, but you don't know where to start? At StartASL.com, we have hundreds of schools using our curriculum in their classrooms. Our online course is our most popular option. Enroll your students in our online course, and they can learn independently at their own pace. Our online course includes our 4-level course curriculum aligned with California World Language Standards and the ACTFL, access to our new premium 4K videos with slow motion and multiple angles for easy learning, course materials, including the Don't Just Sign, Communicate student guide ebooks, completion certificates, grading and video feedback by our professional ASL instructors, age-appropriate live online practice events with our ASL instructors, and grade monitoring available upon request. Do you already have an ASL teacher but want to expand your curriculum? We also offer a comprehensive teacher's curriculum for ASL 1, 2, 3, and now ASL 4. Our curriculum includes all the resources you will need to teach our courses, including teacher guides, handouts, lesson videos, quizzes, homework assignments, and more. Need more flexibility? We also offer an offline course, curriculum licensing, group discounts, and we even accept purchase orders. Visit teachers.startasl.com to sign up today, and your students can start learning ASL right away.